This is, have you ever had this happen to you where you go to make a dish and you're all by yourself at home, there's nobody to help you? Guess what? The lid pops off. Now I can cook. Yay! Hi, I'm Nancy from Grandmother's Kitchen, and I was going to make a dish with some sauerkraut in it, but I can't get the sauerkraut open. So, like this, there's no way. So then I've heard, put something like rubber gloves on or use a rubber thing. So we'll give that a go. This is, have you ever had this happen to you where you go to make a dish and you're all by yourself at home, there's nobody to help you? No way, it's not coming. Okay, so I've heard, dang it. So we'll try that. No way. I'm going to run it under hot water, so let's try that. You would think with gloves and that we should be able to open it and see. Nope. Okay, I learned a trick. This happened to me the last time I tried to cook something. I was just about ready to give up on the recipe and I Googled it. So you just need a hammer. I used a screwdriver, probably could use a nail. And make one hole. Guess what? The lid pops off. Now I can cook. Yay!